Good evening, dear students. Today I am starting Mathsing Fun. Let's start. A for what? A for apple. So we have to match to here to here. Then F for what? F for fish. G for what? G for grapes. Next, O for what? O for owl. Z for what? Z for jeep. Next worksheet, matching pictures and letter worksheets. So first what come? This one is van or car. Okay. So, or bus. So, what is this? This one is a bus. So, bus, B for bus. Next, this one is red, R for red. This one is frog, F for frog. This one is dog, D for dog. Next one, okay, lower part, S for sun, F for fish, H for hen, B for banana. Select the correct letter that match with the picture. This one is what? Apple. So circle the A for apple. This one is ball, B for ball. Next, this one is cat, C for cat. Next, this one is what? Dog, D for dog. So what? A, similar message. Next, B, B. Next, C, C. Next, D, D. Next, E, E. Next, circle the correct alphabet. This one is what? Butterfly, B for butterfly. This one is A for apple. Next one is cut. Caterpillar got confused in matching the letters. Can you help her in matching? N is what? Small letter N. Capital letter N, small letter A, small letter A. Next, F, small letter F. B, small letter V. P, small letter P. C, small letter C. S, small letter S. Worksheet is fill the missing alphabet. What comes first? This one is A, then B, then what? C, then D, then E, already written F, then G, then what? H, then what? I, J, K, L, then M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One is the train worksheet. Alphabet A to Z. Trace the alphabet A to Z. First what come? A. Then small letter A. Small letter B. Next, small letter C. Then small letter D. Next, small letter E. Then F. Then small letter G. Next, small letter H. Then small letter I. Then small letter J. Next, small letter K. Next, small letter L. Next, small letter M. Next, small letter N, small letter O. Next, small letter P. Next, small letter Q. Next, small letter R. Next, small letter S. Next, small letter T. Next, small letter U. Next, small letter V. Next, small letter W. Next, small letter Z. Next, small letter Y. Last one is small letter Z. So, ABCD activity 1. Let's start. Number 1. Section A. Complete the pattern. What will come? A, B, A, what? B. Okay. C, D, then C come. What comes? D. Next A, then B, B. Next D, C, D, C. Next B, C, B, C. Okay. Next section B. Color the correct picture. So A for which one you have to color the correct. This one you have to color. Okay. Next B for ball. Next C for cat. Then D for dog. So next one, select C joined the same letter. So A for small letter A, B for small letter B, C for small letter C, D for small letter D. Sections D, circle the correct letter. Which one? A for apple. This one is you have to circle. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Next one, A for apple. So you have to trace it. Section E, read and trace. A. B for ball. B. C for cat. C. D for dog. D. Draw your favorite animal. So you can draw your favorite animal. What you want to draw? Cat. So we can draw one cat. This one is one. This one is cat. So next worksheet is fill in the missing letter. Let's start. A. After what come? B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Next K. What comes? Look at the picture and write the first letter. This one is A for apple. This one is B. B for bee. Or you can write honey. This one, C for cat, E for elephant, F for fish. Circle the correct beginning letter. This one is A for apple, C for cat, F for fish. Next, elephant, E for elephant, B for bee. Okay. Match the capital letter with the small letter. A for A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e. Correct the circle pictures as per the letter. Color the picture. Which one you have to color? Let's start with A. This one you have to color. Next, color the pictures with the start of B. This one is color. Next, color the picture with the start of C. This one is C. Color the picture with the start of D. Next, color the pictures with the start of F, fish. So we can color it. So first what comes? A. This one you can color pictures. Next we can color this one, then this one, then D for dog, this one, next F for fish, this one. So the next worksheet is fill in the missing uppercase letter. A, after what come? B, C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.